Looking for a hydraulic fitting that guarantees precision, durability, and seamless performance? Parker's WH22LRKDSOMDCF Hydraulic Fitting is here to elevate your system's efficiency to the next level. This fitting features an external pipe diameter of 22 mm and operates at a nominal pressure of 160 bar, making it ideal for demanding hydraulic applications. Its robust design includes dimensions perfectly tailored for reliability, with an S2 size of 36 mm, L5 length of 53 mm, D4 of 17 mm, and L4 of 16 mm. Supplied with all essential parts, including seals, it eliminates leaks while allowing customization as it comes with nuts and rings. Built to perform under pressure, the Parker WH-R-KDS fitting is lightweight at just 0.516 kg, offering easy installation without compromising durability. Whether in industrial hydraulics or fluid transfer systems, its precision-engineered design ensures reliable, long-lasting performance. Don't settle for less when you can have the best. Order your Parker hydraulic fitting today at www.offshoredimensionsparkerstore.com or email us at sales@offshoredimensions.com or call us at +234 909 482 1645. Act now. Stock is limited.